Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. First and foremost, I would like to wish you a happy new year. I really hope that this year will bring you joy and happiness and success in every aspect of your life. As you guys know, I started my YouTube channel in April 2017 and you people have supported me through it all. So thank you so much for watching my videos and for sharing. Thank you so much guys for your support. This year I got to learn a lot about myself, about who I am as a person, and I'm grateful to God because He gave me strength to go through this year, and I'm still standing, so that's a huge accomplishment for me and I'm really thankful. Every day I'm trying to be a better wife, a better friend, sister, a better daughter, so hopefully for the year to come I'll be able to give back to the people that I love as much as I would like to. I'm also grateful for castor oil and peppermint oil. Yes! Anyway, I want to do something with you guys. I wanted to do it last year but I didn't really follow through with it. So this is something else that I saw on Pinterest, and basically you take a jar. Every week you write down something that you're grateful for that happened throughout the week, and then you put it in this jar. Then at the end of the year, on December 31st, you start going through the jar and seeing everything that you've been grateful for, everything that God has been doing for you, and you know that you may take for granted a few years from now, but then you will have the proof right here that great things have been happening to you all year long. So I will be doing that. At the end of the year, I will let you guys know a few of the things that have been happening to me. I just wanted to give you guys a little update about everything that's been going on with me. First of all, my apple cider vinegar challenge. Guys, I don't know, I feel like it's not really working. My weight has been going up and down, like 1 or 2 pounds at most. So is it really worth it? Not really. I've been doing it for like over a week and a half straight, and so far it's not really working that great. Other than that, the hair vitamin journey with the main choice, like I said last time, I don't think that my hair grew that much, but just for the heck of it, since I'm done taking the hair vitamins, let's do a length check. So my crease is right here. Like I said guys, I don't think that it's really working. Maybe you need to take it like for more than 1 month. For the month that I've been taking it, it hasn't been working at all, I feel like. So should you or should you not purchase these hair vitamins? It's up to you guys. If you think that your hair is gonna grow longer in 30 days, I don't think it will. I really don't. So sorry to disappoint. I really was rooting for those hair vitamins, but they did not come through. So voila! I really hope that you guys find my videos useful, because you know, I really want to give you guys great content and things that you can apply to your regular life. So let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions. Please feel free to contact me and it will be my pleasure to do something about it and, you know, cater to your needs. So on that note, I wish you happy holidays and have a great week, have a great year, be happy, and you know, if you have something on your mind that you want to do, go for it. Sky's the limit. So I'll see you guys later.